Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that comes packed with indicators and candlestick patterns built in. Just grab it using the link in the description below. Now, let us get into this review, okay? And I want to flag up front that this listing has some things worth being careful about. So I'll walk through those directly. In this video, I am looking at Adaptive Gold Scalper, listed for both MT4 and MT5, built by developer Fang Yang, and it's priced at 499 US dollars, with the listing noting that the price is set to rise to 599 US dollars. Okay, scrolling into the listing, there is an important pre-notice right at the top. The developer states that this strategy needs a long verification period, requires brokers with ultra low latency, and minimal slippage, and warns that poor broker conditions will lead to what is described as disastrous trading results. Now, the developer describes 14 years of trading experience and positions this as a fast millisecond level scalping system built for ECN and raw spread accounts specifically, with most orders closing within about a second. Further down, there is a specific caution I want to read out directly because it matters. The listing includes an official note stating that the trading style has changed and that part of the trading history is not included in the live track record. Okay, it's not included in the live signal statistics. We can see how it was written here. The official prompt: trading style has changed, part of history is not included in statistics. That is why the profit percentage on the live signal has been reset. All right, so that is a meaningful caveat, since it means the live track record reference afterward doesn't represent one continuous verifiable history. With that in mind, the listing shows several live signal figures, including claims of a 6,000% gain in 43 weeks on one account and a 34,000% gain in 20 weeks on another, with the second one specifically marked by the developer themselves as not recommended. There is also a small funds test table across several brokers, with notes acknowledging issues like high slippage and high floating spread on some of them. I'll treat all of these figures with real caution, given the stats reset disclosure just above them. Recommended setup calls for an ECN account, H1 time frame, spread under 10, a zero stop level requirement, and XAUUSD specifically, with a suggested starting capital of $500. One more thing worth flagging is that partway through the listing, the product description switches to referring to itself by a different name, Adaptive SR Trend, rather than Adaptive Gold Scalper. Okay, so that section describes a strategy combining trend line analysis, moving average crossovers, support and resistance levels, and adaptive stop loss and take profit placement, targeting roughly a 1-to-2 risk reward ratio with no martingale or grid methods, and backtesting across more than 5 years of gold data. So given the naming inconsistency, it's worth confirming with the seller whether this description accurately reflects the product being sold. Okay, so now let us get into the back test that I ran myself. And given everything I just walked through, I want to apply extra scrutiny here. This test started with an initial deposit of $10,000, and by the end of the test period, the account showed a very strong net profit of just under 9,000, of just a little over $9,850. So let us break down how it got there. This back test covered XAUUSD on the H1 time frame from the start of January through mid-July 2026, with history quality at 100%. Now, across 291 total trades, the win rate came in at just over 81%. All right. The drawdown stayed remarkably low at just under 1.9% on an equity basis, but the balance was about 1.3% drawdown. The profit factor came in at 6.33, and the recovery factor was 38.07. Both of them extremely strong figures. All right. So given the stats reset disclosure on the live signals and the overall promotional tone of this listing, I would treat even this backtest with real caution, and want to see it replicated across multiple brokers and periods before drawing any conclusions. Okay. Looking at the trade history, I can see that the EA seems to be targeting short-term price movements. Okay. The trade, you can see that the positions are not held for long. On average, they are not held for long. You can see that the entry and close prices are not far from each other in each case. You can see on different occasions, the trades are opened and closed within the same candle. All right. And in some cases, you will even see more than one trade executed within a single candle, 1 hour candle though. So who might this expert advisor be suitable for? Based on what we have observed so far, the backtest numbers are very strong, but given the inconsistencies in the listing itself and the disclosed reset in the live track record, I would want significant independent verification before trusting this. Okay, and as always, no expert advisor is universally suitable. You should verify everything here yourself extensively before considering any live use. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.